So I have some very, very interesting news to share with you having to do with Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust and all of their wallets. Over 1,750 wallets have been identified. And inside of that, how much Bitcoin does Grayscale own and control? That's what we're going to talk about in this video, as well as give you some insight into other scenarios, other assets that they own. Real quickly, let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. You can see right here on the screen, it is doing its normal thing. By the way, every other crypto chart basically looks the same, right? We had this massive move down. We all know the reason for that. And now we've all been consolidating. I mean, we've basically been consolidating. You can see that date at the bottom of the screen there since basically the 18th of August. And Bitcoin it's really running between 26,000 and 200. There's been some flashes above. This, by the way, momentum up, momentum down. These indicators are my trading indicator software, X1 Algo. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. It's basically given these indicators. Like right here, you can see it flashed here. Let me show you real quickly after that candle. And that has been a 4+% move up that basically showed there. And there's been other major ones, but also it flashed a momentum down before we had this major move down. And let me show you that. That's a 11+% move down. So again, minimization of risk. That's what my indicator does. Buy, sell, gives you better insight into when to do that. Links in the description below. Check it out. There's also a discount code down there you can take advantage of. And by the way, that discount code is probably going to go away in the near future if you want to check that as well. Okay. So look, let's see this. Bottom line, this number blew me away. Okay. So right here, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, is the second largest Bitcoin whale in the world, holding and controlling more than $16 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's a massive amount. Okay. So, and it was Arkham, which is a crypto analytics company, that identified this, that there's 1,750 different wallet addresses, each holding no more than 1,000 Bitcoin each. Okay. So that number 16 billion is basically 627,779 Bitcoin on behalf of its investors. And it's north of 16.26 billion. Now, they also have some other large assets. Look, they're holding almost 5 billion in Ethereum, Link, Matic, Uni, BAT, Maker, Aave, a couple of others, Avalanche, all that kind of stuff. So interesting. Just wanted to point this out for you. But what do you think? This is obviously they're holding it in the context of, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So curious as to what you think about this, but they haven't been identified as basically the second largest whale out there, Bitcoin whale out there, period. Okay. So this video is sponsored by my friends over at Two Lands right here. This is their website to basically get into their pre-sale. So you can buy it and get it at a discount for what it's going to launch at. And you get 100% at launch. So if you buy today, if you decide to pick up some today, you're going to basically get 100% of it when they do launch. They're looking at launching in about a month or so. This link right here takes you to their website. You can see right here, if you want to basically pay with credit card, you can do that right there. Or if you want to pay with crypto, you can do that on this form. And this form is in the link in the description below. There's this graphic here. I'm going to let you read over it if you want to check it out. Shows you some incentives, some things, some perks, some benefits you get at these different respective levels. So they're doing some really cool stuff. They got a game coming. They got an amazingly great community behind them. They've got an online treasure hunt. I've never heard of this before. It's really cool. They got an online treasure hunt where they're going to actually hide in this Cryptex, really cool thing, which, by the way, they talk about that on their website. They're going to hide 1%, a wallet address inside of this Cryptex, and they're going to hide 1%, a wallet that holds 1% of their total circulation. So at launch, that's going to be worth about $50,000 the day it launches. Okay. So goes up in value. This could be worth millions of dollars. And this treasure hunt is something that they're doing. And they've embedded clues in all of their different respective marketing. They're embedding it in these NFTs that they're giving away. They're doing a lot of stuff. You can see there's entries into different contests here that you can get. So a lot of cool stuff that Two Lands is doing. This is a project that to me is marrying crypto with history, archaeology, exploration. They're doing some great stuff with on the archaeological front. Going to be sponsoring some archaeology endeavors in the near future. They're doing a lot of really interesting stuff. They got a game coming, stuff like that. So check it out. Get involved in their respective communities. Links in the description below to this document right here. Or if you decide you want to pick some up, you can do so. All right. I'll see you. Have a good one. As I said, go make some money. Bye.